How to change language in PayPal account. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. To change your language for your PayPal account, it is pretty simple. Firstly, you need to launch your PayPal application or just type in paypal.com. Once you are in your account logged in, check for your account settings. In your settings, you will see the option of language. Right beside it, you will find the Edit option. Tap on Edit. Then, you will get to select a preferred language for your PayPal account. Isn't it simple? Now, let me go ahead and show you where you can find your settings. If you are using a PayPal website, that is paypal.com, once you are logged in, you can tap on your user icon. Right there, you will find the option called Profile and Settings. By tapping on it, you need to navigate to the language option where you can edit according to your preferred language. Just make sure that your Wi-Fi is at optimum speed and you are not connected to a VPN. That wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.